Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm your host TJ, and today we are going to be checking out a tempered glass for your Huawei P30. My current phone is rocking a UAG case, so if anyone is interested, I will leave a link up above. You can check it out after this video. So let's take a look at the packaging. The specific tempered glass I'll be unboxing and reviewing today is going to be from Panzer glass. This actually came in a 2-for-1 deal, so I picked up two. It's always good to have a backup option in case the first glass gets damaged. Here's a look at the front of the box. Again, this is for your Huawei P30, and this does claim to be case friendly. This does offer edge-to-edge protection. It is shock resistant, scratch resistant. There's 100% touch sensitivity, and this is a Super Plus glass from Panzer glass, and it has easy edge installation. On the back you have more info on this glass, so you can pause and read it. So guys, let's get this open and check what's included. Underneath the packaging you do have some installation instructions. Here is the included instruction manual. You have a dust remover, a decent microfiber cloth, and a wet wipe. Finally, here is the glass itself. I'm very curious as to whether this is going to work with the in-display fingerprint reader. I have been using my phone with the built-in screen protector that comes with the Huawei P30, so I won't need to use the wet wipe. But if you did use this phone without any screen protector on there, you would need to use the wet wipe to clean it up prior to you installing the glass. Just to make this process a little bit more smoother, I'm going to remove my case. Okay guys, let's get the plastic removed. You know, I have to say this default plastic did a pretty good job. I actually had a bit of a knock on my screen, as you can see here, and it really protected it because the glass is perfectly fine. There's not a single scratch on it. I did notice there's some bit of a fingerprint stuck on the top and the bottom, so I actually am going to end up using the wet wipe just to make sure it's properly cleaned. At this point you should notice that there should be some fine particles. That's not a problem. What you're going to use now is the dust absorber, and this is going to remove any of those fine particles that's sitting on the phone. You got tab 1. Going to peel back the phone. Now what I recommend is place the top half down first. Slowly peel back the plastic, and then finally pull back the phone. Now all you need to do is press down on the screen itself to form a seal, and we can peel back the sticker that says front. Hey guys, here you have it. This looks really good. So guys, just testing this out now, and it seems to be a bit of a issue reading my fingerprint. So what I'm going to do is unlock the phone, re-register my fingerprints, and then let's see if that makes a difference. So guys, let's get in for a closer shot. Let's re-add them. So this is definitely having a much harder time through the glass. Okay guys, this is very frustrating. Something interesting I just picked up. Apparently it doesn't like it if I put too much pressure. It just needs to be a very light touch. Okay, that's weird. Anyway, let's actually just test that out. I'm gonna try registering one more. Let's just give this a go. Light touches apparently. Seems to be going a lot better. Okay, fine, I can deal with that. Let's So guys, set sensitivity is looking really good. There's not finding any issues with that. Let's just try another game. That's clearly not how you defeat the vulture. Guys, all in all, I can highly recommend you check out this tempered glass for your Huawei P30. The only negative I would say is it did take a bit in the beginning just to figure out that I had to use a light touch to register the fingerprint. But in all, it came together in the end. I'm glad I persevered and didn't give up. I'm happy with it. So far I don't see any issue interacting with the phone, and I am happy to have a tempered glass back on my phone as my previous phones did. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. My name's TJ, this is Tech Chef, and I will catch you on the next one.